Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Jay here, back at it again with another video. In this video, we're going to be finally dealing with the clear coat starting to fade on the Mustang Decklid. If you're new here, to consider subscribing down below. I upload every Monday and Thursday. I'm just starting out and it would mean a lot to me. So let's get to it. Alright guys, and now we're back. It turns out that the audio in the intro I had recorded wasn't that great. I think the outro as well. So if you see me again, it's most likely in the outro. Basically, as most of you guys know who own Mustangs, the clear coat on these cars tend to fade around the Decklid. There are people who go out and replace the Decklid with an OEM one, and then there's guys who go out and get an aftermarket one. We are doing that soon, but in the meantime, I had some wrap laying around and I thought, oh, why not give it a shot? I haven't wrapped anything before. This is my first time, so I'm a complete beginner on this. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I just noticed that my battery is about to die for the camera. So I'm gonna stop recording right now, and then what you'll see next will be the end result. In the end, the carbon fiber turned out decent. There are spots that I still need to go over. I have some more wrap playing around, so I'll probably remove this and do it again. But for now, the car isn't really going anywhere, so it's okay how it is. The entire part around the gas cap was a pain to work on. As you can see, there's still bubbles in here. So I definitely need to go back around and do it again. This was my first attempt, so I didn't really expect much from it. No biggie, but that's gonna be it for this video. And the outro to this video is also being recorded on the same day. The audio was pretty bad in the old video. I had some issues with the mic. I'm still working on it. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit the like button. A comment down below if you would do this as well, or if you would replace it with another Decklid. It means a lot to me that you guys are watching these videos. I am attempting to post I am now attempting to post twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. So let's see how it goes. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.